They can't even keep up with demand. Their cameras are selling out. That's the only reason that Logitech hasn't exploded yet, is because they can't keep up. They can't keep up with how many people are buying webcams.
Bear gang till I die, ho. Swooped up the homies and we about to start a sideshow.
Does Logitech look like a good to invest right now? I absolutely think it is. I absolutely think it is, because let me explain something to you. All right, so let's break down. All right, Logitech. What does Logitech primarily do? Computer accessories. But what is their moneymaker? Webcams. Webcams have always been something people do, as we've seen a more of an online presence, right? All right. So we know where that presence is. But let's talk post-COVID. Okay, post-COVID. What have we seen happen already? Work from home. Okay? So people are working from home. Now, everybody who works from home doesn't have the webcam, but a lot of people do. Now you're seeing business meetings that used to take place in, internationally or at conventions or stuff like that. It's happening at your computer at your house. We're seeing distance learning. Look at the stats on Twitch over the past 5-6 months. Look at the amount of new, unique streamers. Okay? People at home bored, looking to do something. People trying to build a business, trying to be professional streamers, trying to be full-time streamers, the whole 9 yards. Okay? And more importantly, and I'm not being sexist or making a joke here, look at the explosion in girls, even professionals, business ladies, opening OnlyFans. Okay? What do all 4 of these have in common? Who makes at this time, the most affordable webcams value-wise for what you get? No, not China. No, yes, but no, what company sells them? Not who makes, sorry. What company sells them? Logitech? Oh, God. Okay? They can't even keep up with demand. Their cameras are selling out. That's the only reason that Logitech hasn't exploded yet, is because they can't keep up. They can't keep up with how many people are buying webcams. Sure, some of these numbers are going to go down as we open back up, but a lot of these businesses and companies are finding out that work from home is actually being more beneficial. It's cheaper for the company. They get the same, if not better, production from their employees. Okay, they're finding that it's amazing, and it's going to hurt airliners, because now you used to have to fly to another company to do or another convention or another country, another city to do meetings, when you can just do them on a webcam now. The only reason Logitech hasn't exploded is because they did not expect to have this kind of demand. Will that open up a door for other companies that produce webcams? Yes, but we still know who the top dog is there. And for the next 5 years, we're probably going to see a continued growth in Logitech. Obviously, it's speculative. Other companies could come out with different other brands. We could do that. But just because somebody comes out with something and does it cheaper doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to win. I was watching that Netflix documentary about Stephon Marbury last night, about when he released his shoe. I mean, just because you release something cheap doesn't mean everybody's going to get it, because we're in a society where we're always keeping up with the Joneses, and don't nobody want that Bobo, brand of something. They all want the best, except me, because I don't give a shit, but that's just me. So this is one of the reasons why Logitech is a sleeper stock. I wouldn't say sleeper, because it's already up significantly. It's up like 150% over the last 6 months. But I think Logitech has I don't think it's gone anywhere near its ceiling. I don't think it's gone anywhere near its ceiling. That's just me personally. So that is my breakdown on why I think Logitech is a great growth stock moving forward.